Hey, thanks for joining me here. Okay, getting ready to mop my downstairs, and I'm gonna show you guys what I really like to use. I got myself the O-Cedar ProMist Max, and let me tell you what I like about this one here. One, it's like roughly 30 bucks depending on where you get it from and if you get extra pads or whatnot for it. So it's very affordable. So here's a soap solution, and check this out. You can put whatever you want in there. You don't have to buy their brand of soap. And this wasn't rigged to make it work like that, because I remember I had a Shark like steam mop thing, and you had to buy their refills, which was ridiculous. Okay, so I've even got some bonus soap here. You can use any floor soap you want. Some of the all-purpose soaps that I like a lot, like the Mr. Clean. I like they leave a little bit of residue. Just add some soap, and I even like to sometimes water it down a little bit. Let's just throw some water in here. Because most of the time I find it's not like really required to run that at full strength. There's an O-ring there, so I like to make sure it's kind of wet. So just snug that up there, and the O-ring's wet, so it slides back in easier. And it lines up pretty good. Just line it up and clicks right in. Now the microfiber pad is nice. It's big. Okay, it's double-sided. So if you get you got a lot of dirt and dust, dogs coming in, while you're mopping, just flip it over and you keep going. And mine actually came with a second pad, which was nice. I will have the YouTube shopping links throughout this video here, but I like to wet it. I've actually found wetting this first helps. So I'm going to wet this in the sink and bring it out. I know I didn't show you guys that, but there's not very little light over there. Okay, I like to take the Velcro. Here's the soft side of the Velcro tab, and I fold it out while I wring it out. That way it doesn't get stuck on the other one so hard, and it kind of feel like it's wearing out fast if I do that. So there we go. All right. Now this part here, for some reason, I always want to do this. This is how it matches up with the head. So we're going to stick the one side in. Okay. All right. Squish a little Velcro down. And we got soap. We got a clean pad, and it's been dampened. I like to start that way. Find that's better. Now we're ready to mop. It's kind of a neat view, huh? So you just got to squeeze the handle as you go. It sprays the soap out, and it really helps making the mop go fast. Of course, when you got dogs like you chasing, see, look, there's dog paws all over the place. It's winter here, and so we got a lot of dirt and debris coming in from outside. Okay, and like I said before, if your pad's getting dirty, you're just going to lift it and flip it over. See? Two sides, still going. Hey, whether it's inside the house or outside the house, any tool that makes the job easier so you get done faster and still do a quality job, it's going to give a thumbs up in my book, okay? So to clean this off, right, you're just going to pop the Velcro, throw this out. You can't put this in the wash machine. I prefer just to hand wash it in the sink, kind of wring it out, let it dry, and it's good for next time. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for joining me. Hope this helps inspire you to get something done today. You guys have a great one.